What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Trading Crypto live stream. Give me a 1-2-1-2 if everyone can hear me nice and clear. It's been a while since we've actually done a legit live stream. Last live stream I did, we were just looking at Degen coins. Yo, Mr. Andy Walk in the house. Welcome, Ness. Five people in the chat, good enough. We'll get started. So first thing at BTC, I just wanted to point out, right when we started going parabolic on BTC, if you draw a fib from that, it actually has been playing out pretty accurately off this fib I've drawn. We actually retraced and bottomed out at the 236 right here, which was that $15,000 BTC. And now once we break over the 618, which is that $32,000 that everyone's looking for, I think that's where we will start going parabolic. Another interesting thing, I saw this on another YouTube channel, but I'm just going to use it. This guy's using lunar phases, like moon phases, and this has been pretty accurate as well. Every time there's a full moon, it runs, and every time there's a new moon, it retraces. And we actually get our full moon tonight. As you can see, full moon we go up, new moon we've gone down every single time so far. So we'll see how accurately this plays out here. I mean, I don't believe in lunar cycles and stuff, but if the indicator's accurate, why not use it, right? So mainly what I want to go over today is just let's look at some altcoins. Let's try to get some other degen possible plays going. Everyone's a millionaire off of PEPE apparently. I know the Discord was going crazy. Discord was going crazy on PEPE, making some mad bank. So Mr. Andy Walk, I have an idea. So instead of going over that information on the live stream in the Discord, because I think you would do a better job at doing it, maybe you and I can link up one-on-one or something in the Discord and we can record it off of there, because you would do a much better job explaining it than I do. And then we can share that information there. But Mr. Andy Walk shared a really good, some really good information, some moon juice in the Discord. So if you're in the Discord, make sure you check that out. Gensler. Yeah, I've heard of Gensler. I've heard of Mong. It's still going. So MONG, I actually do want to look into that. Dang, 194. Up 194, 2432. Where's this available at? Looks like, oh, it's actually available on Gate.io, so you don't have to use Uniswap and waste all your gas. Yeah, of course we can look at Casper a little bit later. What's the market cap on this thing? $127 million. Hang on, we'll probably have to go to DAX real quick. Manga's on MEXC. Is it in MEXC? I didn't see it. Let's see. The only Mong that I see in MEXC is Mongol NFT. Is this the one you're talking about? Because this actually just came out on MEXC, it looks like, on the 23rd of April. We have a nice rounded bottom right here on the hour chart. Indicators, we are way overbought though. RSI is extremely high, WTX is extremely high, but this thing could have some juice to run if this is the correct one right here. MONG, Mongol NFT. Because if you're just looking for Mong, it doesn't show it on. Oh, it's not on TradingView yet. Well, maybe I really can't find it then. MONG, Mongcoin. Well, I tried. Maybe we'll look at it later, but yeah, if you're in it and you're making money, man, congrats. A lot of people are making money today, but also a lot of people aren't making money at all. So Gensler, I know Gensler. I've heard Gensler. Good Gensler right here, down 30%. This thing really hasn't been doing anything. Uniswap, Ponyx, L Bank. Yo, this actually doesn't look bad. Normally, I always ignore the first couple wicks because you're never able to get in here anyways. That's all the bots. And if we look here, we're actually consolidating in this triangle pretty dang tight. So what I would be expecting is continual consolidation until we pop to the upside. So Gensler might actually not be a bad play here. And you said the market cap's only what? Only 2.5 million market cap. Hell, if you think it's gonna go, I mean, it doesn't look bad. Well, I'm gonna write Mong on. I have a little list that I keep on live streams. I'm gonna write Mong, and I'm actually gonna look it up on MEXC after the live stream. Yeah, there's still a lot of room to run on this coin, actually. I mean, if we actually draw from top to the bottom right here, if we do break out of this triangle right here, what I'd expect is most likely a test of the 382 back test as support. Then that would be your rally up right there. So I think right now we're on Gensler. We're actually looking like we're testing this uptrend support area. So I wouldn't be surprised if we got a bounce here from Gensler and we worked our way back up to the top of this triangle. So from where we're currently at, that is approximately, these coins don't really show percentage. But yeah, right now for Gensler, I think this is the play right here. Consolidation until we bounce out. And we're going to see a nice reversal to the upside. So indicators aren't looking bad either. MACD just flipped bullish. We have the RSI way oversold right now, but this looks heavily manipulated, probably due to the low market cap. And we have the WTX at a local bottom. Actually, this WTX is the lowest it's been. So yeah, it might not be a bad play at all. Quant. So Quant's up 1.7 at $114, pretty much ranging at the same price it has been forever. Pretty much the new stable coin, as I've mentioned the last time I did a TA on it. From what we're looking for here is, I was actually looking for it to consolidate within this triangle right here. We did not get that drop down to the bottom support area, but we are starting to work our way back up. I said Quant's pretty much going to be, oh shit. Quant's pretty much going to be ranging between, I think, 120 and 110, if I'm not mistaken. Let me get back to that chart here real quick. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if quant just ranged right now. I mean, indicators right now, we have the MACD, which is, oh shit, MACD, which is losing its bullish momentum, but we really haven't been blowing up on the MACD, and we really haven't been going bearish. We've just been ranging sideways. Same with the RSI. RSI is a little high, but we have been going to the overbought territory quite a bit. WTX is in the red. I still wouldn't be surprised if it went up to the 618 downtrend convergence area at around 120 for quant before we retrace back down. Eventually, this downtrend supports it to give for quant, and then we're going to see a big pop up to the 786 at around 160. My personal opinion. I think it's just a matter of time. Quant's just going to be ranged between probably 120 and 110 until we get really squeezed together. Then we're going to be seeing a pop to the upside. I don't think Quant's going below $100, just like I don't think ASRO's going down below $1. I think the days of below $100 Quant are behind us. I mean, we've only had, last time we got below 100 was November of 2022. Since then, the lowest that we've gone is we went to 101 back here, but we haven't gone below 100 at all in 2023. Our last time was November of 2022. So I just think Quant's going to be ranging until we see a breakout. Can I look at Casper? Yes, we will look at Casper. So Casper Network is down 2.4. So we're gonna look at Casper on probably MEXC because that's the chart that I use. Oh, one sec. So Casper right now, we still are on the uptrend right here. Oh shoot. There we go. So Casper right now, we're still doing the thing that we predicted. We thought we were gonna go down to the 786. We did go down to the 786, currently testing that one out. Indicators right now, we have the MACD, which did have a bearish crossover here, but we really haven't deviated too far down on the bear side of the MACD. RSI is a little high, and we are starting to curl our way back down as well. WTX is pretty much sitting neutral. So I still think we're gonna be heading up past this one eventually, but for Casper right now, what it looks like we're doing is just something like that, consolidating sideways until we see a break to the upside. If I had to guess the direction, I mean, we're on the 2 hour, so we have to go to the 4 hour. If I had to guess on Casper, I wouldn't be surprised if we just chopped along sideways here until we reach this uptrend resistance area. We're most likely going to test this before we break above 1 right here. So I wouldn't be surprised if we went down to 5.7 or just stayed around this 6 cents range until we hit this and then went up. But I think it's very, very unlikely for Casper to break below this uptrend support. And if we do, I think the 786 at 5.5 is going to be a fantastic support area. So I don't think Casper is going below 5.5 anytime soon at all. Either we're just going to be chopping sideways until we head up to the 1,236, or we're just going right now. We're really indecisive here on the MACD. We're just slightly bullish, slightly bearish. I think it's just a matter of time till we head up to the 1,236. So from where we're currently at, that's 24%. Just a matter of time till we hit 24% on Casper. Yeah, so if I had to bank on it, I just think Casper might come down one more time before we went up, but I think it's very, very likely that we're going to be seeing the 1,236 eventually. Grand morning from down under. Welcome, welcome. Can you check out Sushi Swap? Lots of volume coming in this morning with lots of big green wicks on the 15-minute. Yeah, Bonk looks dead, man. I was waiting 20x, but 2-3x will be on it. Bonk will take off eventually. We'll get the Bonk after this. There's something interesting I want to show you about Bonk. Can you check out Sushi Swap? Holy crap, I haven't charted this in a long time. August of 2022. You said you're getting huge wicks on the 15-minute. It's choppy. So for sushi swap, on like if you're doing like quick trades and like day trade and stuff, yeah, you look at the 15-minute chart, but I really don't look at volume whatsoever. As of right now, sushi swap, there's pretty much main support down here at 91 cents. If we just zoom out to the day, we've been chopping forever, dude. I mean, forever. Oh, that's the 1 hour. Still, we've just been chopping forever. You could have bought this coin back in May of 2022 and it'd be the exact same price. Technically not a bad thing. I mean, eventually it'll break out. All we're doing is accumulating right now. I mean, consolidation is a bullish thing. It just means people are willing to accumulate the coin at the same price for a long period of time. You've just been consolidating between $1 and $2. What'd this peak out at? Peaked out at $24. Honestly, it's looking like it might be time to go. Yeah, it is nearing time to go. So for sushi, I wouldn't be surprised if we got squeezed in here and then we started to work our way up and actually get above $2. We haven't been this consolidated in a long time, and this does look like the bottom back here in December. Nice rounded bottom, and then we started putting in highs and higher lows. Back here, we weren't putting in higher lows. You know, we had a low, we had a lower high, then we had the same low. Here we put in a high, a higher low, and now we're going to be putting in a higher high. So I wouldn't be surprised if sushi broke out to the upside here and worked our way back up to $2. But let's draw a fib on this thing and try to dissect it a little bit more. I might just go from this one here real quick. Nope, that's not the right one. Okay, so for sushi, where would that breakout point be? I'd be towards the end of May. Around the 25th of May is the latest it can consolidate within this. When you're in a pennant or a triangle like this, you never just continue moving sideways through it like this. Either you shit the bed to the downside or you break to the upside. So sushi should make a big move in May at some time. And what I think, if we are bullish to the upside, we'd probably break out to the 382 at 125 back test, and then that's all she wrote. Head up to around 150, and then we can start tackling $2. Because this definitely looks like a reversal right here. A nice V-shaped bottom right here. So I'm going to be bullish on sushi. Yeah, I've been day trading it for almost a year now. I've noticed that the last 2 days it's getting ready to go. Yeah, it's getting ready to go, dude. We're getting squeezed pretty tight in this range right here. And eventually it's going to pop, hopefully to the upside. I mean, you've been ranging for so long, it's a good chance that it will pop to the upside. Yeah, now we're going to look at Bonk real quick. Something interesting about Bonk. So obviously this is a nice V-shaped bottom on Bonk. So Bonk is definitely bottomed. Yes, we did see a big capitulation down outside of this channel that we had drawn. This was a very, very clean channel right here that we had. We did break out of. But if you throw the moon phases on here, every time we've gotten a full moon, we went up. Every time we've gotten a new moon, we went down, and we just hit a full moon today. So we're going to find out how accurate this indicator is, because we just got a full moon today. So hypothetically, since we got a full moon here on the 7th, that was our bottom for Bonk, and we've been putting in higher highs and higher lows from every full moon. So hypothetically, since we got a full moon here, we should technically run back up into this channel and put in a higher high. I mean, that's how the pattern's been going, because since we were in a downtrend here, we were putting in lower highs and lower lows. We got our V-shaped bottom for Bonk, and now we're putting in higher highs and higher lows on the lunar cycle. So this lunar cycle, and of course the lunar cycle, probably it takes a couple days to play out. It's not like right when we have a full moon we start going. You can see this one took 2-3 days before we started working our way to the upside. But bonk, it's been playing out pretty damn accurately. Every time we get a new moon we go up, every time we get a full moon we go down. We had the v-shaped bottom right here, so I wouldn't be shocked if we worked our way back up here. Yeah, I watch a YouTuber that started using the lunar cycle, and it's pretty interesting. I mean, I don't really believe in that, you know, astronomy and stuff like that with the moon cycles, but I mean, if the indicator is valid and works, why not use it, right? So that's my hoping for bonk right there. And we didn't put in a lower low for bonk, so who knows? Bonk could rip ass. We could be getting 144% back to the top. But I'm just holding my bonk for the bull run. Yo, I'm streaming this off my TV and my phone, but I'm like 10 minutes behind live. But can you go over something you're really keeping an eye on, something legitimate, and one project or degen play? One project that I'm really bullish on, and I've charted it a million times, is A0. I actually sold quite a few ETH to buy some more A0 when I was at 125, and I have it staked on my Nova wallet, and I'm earning over 100 A0 a month just staking it. So 100 A0, what's the price right now? 119. That's $100 and something a month for a free A0 from just staking it on Nova wallet. And I think this thing can easily go to $50 plus. So imagine that. Imagine if I'm still harvesting A0 off Nova wallet, staking it, and I'm getting over 100 A0 a month. That was my plan. Like, okay, I could sell some ETH, buy some more A0, and then harvest the staking rewards. And in my mind, A0 could easily go up to $50 to $100 if you definitely do your research on it. As of right now, it's looking like it's trying to double bottom. We got that double bottom to 382 right here. We barely touched it. So I think we're gonna be seeing a good chance of reversal to the upside. And my last A0 TA that I did yesterday, I challenged my Discord. Well, I really didn't challenge them. I just made a bet that if A0 goes below $1, I will do a TA with my mask off of A0. That's how confident I am that A0 won't go below $1. I think we're gonna be. What the hell are we listening to? Can you also check SHIB for SHIB first started pumping and compared to PEPE, and maybe that could show us if there's a possible room for upside? My trading view only shows 20k bars. 20k bar. So for SHIB or for PEPE, well, we were heavy into PEPE in the Discord. Today. And this is what I'm looking at for PEPE right here. We're actually in between the 1236 and the 1618 on the day chart. So I would not be surprised at all if PEPE went up to the 1236 or the 1618. So day chart for PEPE, I mean, we've only had one pullback here. We have another pullback here. Indicators down here are absolutely useless right now, but we're in between 1236 and the 618 right here. I mean, technically you could drag this down to the very beginning, and we actually wicked right to the 1236 right here for PEPE. So there's a good chance that we could be heading up here to around that 66. What is this at? 69070. But eventually a top's going to get in, guys. Eventually a top's going to get in, and we're going to see a huge ass red candle to the downside eventually. But who knows? This could be the next SHIB. But eventually we will see a drop to the downside, a very large one. But I wouldn't be surprised if PEPE did another 80% run up to the 1618, and then I think that then we could start considering a top for PEPE is the 1618. Oh shit. So, and there's really no use doing the short-term TA on it because it's so short-term TA, similar situation, touched the 1236, got a green candle working our way to the upside. We're overbought on the RSI, but that's obvious because we absolutely have been ripping ass for the last several days. MACD really can't do much on it. There's nothing for the MACD. And the WTX is off the chart almost. We haven't gotten a sell signal yet. So I think PEPE has another 80% in there, 82, 90% in there, and then we're going to be crashing down. 1618 is going to be the top, and then we're going to do a head and shoulders, something like that. But we'll see. I mean, if we hit the 1618, I might put a short in on it. I mean, I longed this bad boy up today. I made some pretty good profits on longing PEPE today. So if we hit the 1618 at around, let's just say 70,000, so 7000, I think that would be a good opportunity to put a short. And I think that's where we'll start seeing that downwards God candle possibly. But I mean, everyone's been trying to call the top for PEPE. I mean, they called the top back here, they called the top back here, and it just continually blasts through all those. So best I got is the 1618. So Degen play. So what was that one in the Discord? What was it? WSGN? No, what was it? Yeah, one sec. Let me look in the Discord. They were shilling it in the Discord. I can't find it. But yeah, then we had FLOKI that absolutely ripped ass today too. So we had FLOKI of MEXC. Yo, this looks exactly like this. We go down, we go to the upside. We go down, we go to the upside. Now watch, we're gonna go down, then we're gonna go to the upside again. But yeah, FLOKI had a huge retracement. This is what I'm thinking PEPE is gonna get eventually. It's a huge red candle. I mean, we topped out here in FLOKI at around 53588, and then this 4-hour candle is a 23% drop. That's absolutely insane. Imagine all the people who got liquidated longing that thing. And now we're trying to find some sort of support right here. Yeah, support at the 0.5. We're still above the 618, which is good, but FLOKI right now is absolutely insane. Yeah, it's trying to make another higher high, but indicators, we have the MACD rolling over bearish. We have the RSI tailing down. The WTX is pretty high as well. Main price volume is right down here at around 3700. As you can see, the 618, we have a pretty large negative price volume area here. So the price volume really doesn't pick up until we get down to the 236, which is sitting on the main price volume area for FLOKI. I'll look at Wojak too. This one might run. It already ran. Missed the boat. 15x. 15x in 4 days. Damn. What's Wojak's market cap though? What's the acronym for Wojak? Yeah, Wojak market cap's only 54 million. I mean, PEPE's is like 2 billion. All-time high 9 hours ago, all-time low 14 days ago. Yeah, because PEPE, I think PEPE broke 2 billion. Oh no, we're at 1.5 billion. That's nuts. 18 days ago, if you bought in, you'd have a 63x right now. That's disgusting. That's disgusting. So anyone got any Degen plays? I mean, I got some extra cash from longing PEPE, and I'm looking to get into some Degen plays. Like Degen plays under $1 million market cap garbage coins. That's what I'm looking to get into. But I think beginning of next week, man, beginning of next week, I think BTC is going to start rallying. We get above 32 and we're going to be ripping on BTC. I mean, does this not look like an inverse head and shoulders to you? Inverse head and shoulders is bullish as fuck. Just like right here we had a head and shoulders. Head and shoulders is bearish. Yeah, I'm still bullish on time. Still think we just need to wait for that capitulation. Really no update on time. You just got to be patient. I mean, if we look at time again. Yeah, we just got to be patient. We're in the bullish megaphone right here. Holding up at the 236. We actually just got a buy signal today. So who knows? That could be the bottom. We just got a buy signal on the WTX for time. But so either this is the launch point or we're going to see a capitulation down to the 4 and we're going to see a launch point. I think it's just a matter of time. Patience is key for this coin. I don't have patience. Turbo. What's the market cap on this thing? Holy shit, this thing's running. Whoa, what is this? Gate.io, Huobi, Uniswap. It's not on any of the exchanges that I use. And I'm not going to use Uniswap because of the gas. All-time low. 22 hours ago, you could have bought this less than a day ago and you'd be up 400%. That's nuts. Yeah, you can't do TA on this. I mean, best of luck. Another 100% up to the 1618. So technically, I guess it could go up to the 1618. I mean, this is the lifelong fib on it. Here you can see that it's been hitting the fibs. If we zoom in real quick, I guess we can do T on it because we ran right up to the 618, got rejected off the 618, went right down to the 236, and then we rallied off that to the 1, and we just bounced off the 786. So who knows? This could be the play right here. Next stop 1618. Yeah, other than that, there's really no other information to go off of. ASF? Is that a coin? Yeah, no problem. Oh, there's another one that I was looking at today too. This one actually looks really good, but I think it's only available on Uniswap. No, I don't think, not this one. Oh, I could have swore it was called Flow. Hang on, let me check real quick. Gotta check my past histories. Oh, Flex. Flex. Yeah, this coin right here, 73 million. So pretty high market cap of 73 million. Yeah, this is the coin, right? Flex coin. No, this is not the coin. This one, Flex meme. Dude, WSBC, that's what we're talking. Yeah, that's the one we're talking about in the Discord. That's the one that they're saying could be listed on MEXC and stuff, and it's going to be the next PEPE, is that WSBC. Yeah, this one right here, Flex. This one might be a good play. This one might be a really good play. It has a $1.5 million market cap. All-time low was 6 days ago, 106. But what I don't like about it is it's only available on Uniswap. And I'm not going to use Uniswap because I have to pay $1 million in gas. But just looking at the chart, I was just looking at the chart on it. I think I have to have Dex. Come on, load. Yeah. Look, this looks really bullish for Uniswap coin. It's actually showing that people are actually buying and selling it. We had this nice rounded bottom right here, and it looks like it's getting ready to go. It looks like this resistance area at around 744, 748 is going to be the area to break. And once you break above that, this coin looks like it could absolutely fly. If we break that blue line right there. It's just, I wish it wasn't on Uniswap. So you can see we're getting squeezed against that upwards resistance and this upward support. Like, I think this one's about ready to fucking run. But I'm not going to buy it. This one right here, yeah, this one right here is one that I might think about getting, because I think, yeah, you can actually get in it on Binance as well. Like, you're right, WSBC. WSBC. Right here, yeah, Wall Street Bets Classics. And then if you go to the market, not very familiar with CoinMarketCap. How do you see what market this is on? Do I just go to here, exchanges? Nope, that is definitely not it. Oh, right here. Yeah, right here. So how is WSBC? Oh, wrapped ETH. Whoops, my bad. This is WSBC with WBNB. So that's what I was wondering, like, is this on BNB as well, or is this just a completely different coin? Well, this looks like it got rugged, so obviously it's a different coin. That looks horrible. WSBC with wrapped ETH. Yo, this thing looks crazy. Holy shit, this thing's about ready to go. This thing is about ready to go. Look at that. We break above this, man. It's making a huge run. Man, I want to get in, but I don't want to pay gas. I don't want to pay gas. Yeah, this doesn't look bad at all. Fuck it, I might actually pay gas to get this thing. It looks like it's about, so we're on the hour chart. It looks like it only has a couple more hours to go. Midnight. Midnight's where it converges on the uptrend resistance area, so it's got to go before midnight, my time anyways. So that is 4 hours. I got a lot of gas. I'm taking it that was a joke. What's up with these fibs? They like don't extend. I'm not used to WS or yeah, this coin looks crazy good, dude. Crazy good. Either we're gonna be breaking it if we break above that 4 right there, or otherwise we're gonna shit the bed. But I don't see why we would shit the bed. This looks really, really healthy right here. This thing's about ready to absolutely rip. Only a 3 million market cap too. Jesus Christ, I want to get into this. Been super patient with time. It always provides, man. What time does is it just wears the shit out of you. You're just slowly holding your bag, just watching it go down, 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 and then it just fucking rips. Yeah, Grizz, WSBC, that's what I'm doing right now. So has anyone bought this coin yet? How much you pay in gas? Or what's open ocean? Well, you obviously want to use V2 because that has the most liquidity. I mean, the website looks like shit, but $40. So if I put in $100, I'm only going to get $60 worth of this coin. Huh. I mean, fuck it. I might as well try, right? I got about 380 plus 40 for gas. So you put a little over $400 in it, huh? So you only can trade. I've never used Uniswap before, so get Gensler instead. Do you have to use Ether? I mean, can I just do like DAI? Yeah, like, I mean, Gensler's not a bad play, but this one's looking like it's about ready to absolutely rip ass. And this only has a 3.1 million market cap. I shouldn't be FOMOing into coins like this. I'll keep it on my radar though. Watch, I'll get off the live stream and I'll end up buying this and buying Gensler and all these coins that we talked about tonight. So it usually happens after the live stream. Like, oh, I'll pick up a little bit of this. I'll pick up a little bit of that. Oh, we talked about that one. I'll get that. So this one and Gensler so far are the ones I'm going to be looking at after the live stream. And also that, what's that? Mong, M-O-N-G. Yeah, those are the three that I'm looking at after the live stream. Dude, Polygon has just been moving sideways forever. Oh boy. So what other coins are we looking at tonight? Well, I mean, yeah, Gensler looks good too. I guess where can you get Gensler though? I remember we looked it up, but I forgot. I don't have a very good memory. Yeah, but I don't use any of these, and this also you have to use Uniswap. That is a small market cap. I guess you're right. L-Bank. Okay, let's look at L-Bank real quick. Oh. What is L-Bank? Or is that an I? When I'm still looking at one of my Degen plays that I bought into, what we found in the last live stream was FRR. Oh, it's just like Mexi. I've never heard of L-Bank. Yo, this coin right here, man. This is some crazy shit. So the all-time high was back in January 2022. They have not put any more coins in circulation. And say it runs back to that all-time high right here. That's a 2,625x possibility on this coin. So what I did is I tossed $100 in. So if you do $100 times that by 2,625, that's $262,000 off a $100 investment if this coin retraces back to its all-time high. Now, it probably won't, but I mean, altcoin, regardless of the altcoin, they tend to run in a bull run. And as of right now, this does look like it found a local bottom here at 001. So yeah, I did toss $100. This is one of the ones that I tossed $100 in, and we toss off that sticky note. This is that Degen list from the last live stream that we came in. This is the Degen list. These are the ones that I'm actually have active plays in at the top, and these are the other ones that we found in the live stream last time that are below 1 million market cap. Lambo is another Degen coin, though only Uniswap, RIP gas fees. Oh, Lambo 2.5 million, 399,000 liquidity. Well, this is new on MEXC. It never showed like liquidity and stuff before. This is pretty cool. 174% today. Yeah, we'll have to look at Lambo on here. Damn, this thing took off. This took off. This is what WSBC is gonna do, and this also looks like how Gensler looks right now as well. Gensler is consolidating within that triangle type pattern, and you ripped ass to the upside. So we broke out, we back tested, and we took off. So this thing's ripping right now. Yo, if we break over 10,000, oh, that's only a 50% run. But yeah, the 1618 is all the way up there, and you got the 236 up here. Yeah, this thing is going. I think I missed the boat though. It's already up 300%. So PRQ really hasn't been doing a whole lot. This is a coin I also hold, and I'm holding it for the remainder of the bull run because I like what it does. And this does look like it did have a nice rounded bottom right here. I think it's just a matter of time before it starts going. This coin really only moves when BTC moves right now. So for PRQ, we're actually holding up the 236 right here. I'm gonna hide the main price volume. 236 right here. If we break over the 382, then we'll see a decent sized reversal to the upside, most likely to the 618 here at around 15 cents. But I don't see any large movement on this coin until BTC actually breaks over 32,000. If BTC breaks above 32,000, we'll see a similar run to what we had here at the beginning of the year. I just think this is a sleeper coin. I think it's really not going to do much until like the middle end of the bull run, and then it's going to start ripping. So, but I am holding it long term. As of right now, I think, let's look at the indicators. Yeah, it's indecisive right now. We're just consolidating between the 236 and the 382 right now. I guess I wouldn't be surprised if it went up to the 618. That's 52%. That's a lot, actually. I put $60. We're not able to find a Mong chart, are we? Because what's the market cap on that? Oh, this just came out. It says it's on TradingView. It says chart by TradingView. What's the market cap on this? 130 million market cap, that's it? I mean, that's still pretty high. That is pretty high market cap. That's up 6,207% in 24 hours. You got to be able to find it on here. This has to be the chart. 0000205. 00000. Okay, that's not the same one. Ah, this is it. You're saying it already has 130 million market cap? Where does it say that? Does that say that on MEXC? Where does it say the market cap on here? Oh, you can future trade it? Oh, it's never mind. You can't. Huh. Oh, yeah, right here. Okay. Did we look at Lambo? Oh, we did. Oh yeah, we looked at Lambo right here. This is Lambo. It's absolutely ripping right now. Absolutely ripping. So Gensler's a good play. Mong, the market cap's a little too high, in my personal opinion. The one that I really want to get into, however, is WSBC. Chart just looks too good. Dude, this thing's gonna rip. This is interesting, man. Guess I throw 60 bucks, we'll see. $2.6 million market cap. 5.9 million volume. Yeah, fuck. Why do they always have to list stuff on Uniswap? Why can't they do it like on Binance, like BSC or something like that? Like on Pancake Swap. Hey, Sam XBT, you're in the Discord, right? I think I saw you in there. WSBC literally rugged 2 days ago. This coin didn't come out 2 days ago. Oh, it came out on the 23rd. No, it came out yesterday. Oh, that was the one. But so do they have proof that they actually? Hang on. That was the one ran by the dev who rugged. The community came together and took over. So where's that chart? Where's the chart of the rug? Oh, it's not this one. What the hell is this? What is this? Oh man, I don't know, man. That's a big gamble. I did make a lot on PEPE today, though. I did make a lot on PEPE. Oh yeah, this one definitely looks like a rug. I have no idea what this one is. You just got to get in early, right? Dude, Ribbit up 134,000% today. Pair has been created within the last 24 hours. Oh, that's a rug. So I guess if you want to find new coins, this is where you go, right? You go to Dex and you just look at, you know, newly created. $1,000x, you're 1,000x on Gensler. I'll probably pick up some Gensler, dude. And if I do buy WSBC, it won't be a lot of money. But this one also, see, that's the thing though. If I buy both of these, I'm gonna be at like 80 bucks just on gas alone. And then when I sell, who knows what gas price is gonna be then? Then you have to sell again and pay another $40, $50 in gas. Maybe what's L Bank? I don't know if I can use this where I'm at. Oh, they have ARB Doge on there? What's this? Polynex. It says the most trading volume for it, so scared money don't make money. I'm not scared. It's just I have a plan and I don't wanna mess up my plan. Like if I put $400 in anything, I'm just gonna put it in. I'd rather put it in A0. I'd rather put it in A0 and stake it. Add to my bag of that. Well, I can't use that. So L Bank doesn't exist anymore, apparently. Okay, so what are we doing? I feel like we've just been talking about random shit. So let's make a list. So far, oh, I'm not gonna FOMO. Trust me, I'm not gonna FOMO. I've been around the block once or twice. Yeah, my DAPPX, man, that thing's just been shit in the bed. So at WSBC Gensler and Mong. Just ones I'll look into after the live stream. Yeah, we looked into Turbo. We looked at Turbo a little earlier. I think Turbo already left the station. Yeah, Turbo's up 382. What's the market cap on Turbo? Shit, we don't know what the market cap is. But see, this is actually available on like Gate.io and Huobi. I mean, it looks rather new. I mean, all-time low was 23 hours ago. Turbo might not be a bad play either. I just want to know the market cap. So 87 million market cap already, according to this. Damn, dude. That's insane. So Turbo only now has 88 million market cap for Turbo. It's 90 million. Yeah, here it says 88 million. It's 2 million off. Hey, Mr. Anywalk, I know we're looking at shit coins here, but do we really have to scrape the bottom of the barrel and look at the absolute worst shit coin of them all, XRP? Just kidding, just kidding. Yeah, this one has just been eating me up lately. But I mean, I tossed $100 in, willing to lose it, 100% willing to lose it. But look at that. Not saying it's going back to the all-time high, but the candle, it goes up to what, 30 bucks right there? Not saying it's going back up to 30, but if it did somehow retrace back up to $30 from where we're at, that is absolutely insane gains right there. That is 16,793x. So can you get an easy 5x plus on it? It's a possibility. I mean, if you put 100 and if somehow it went back to the all-time high, which it won't, but if it did, 16793, that's 1.6, holy shit, off $100 investment. $1.6 million. Dude, Dogebonk, if I had like extra $400, I would toss like $400 into Dogebonk. I don't think we'll look at XRP, Andy, just 1 second. Like Dogebonk only has a 3 million market cap, which I like about it. Also it's available on PancakeSwap, which I wish a lot of these coins that we looked at today were on PancakeSwap, because WBNB is just so much easier to use. So much easier to use. So it's only available on PancakeSwap. And I looked into this a little bit. And of course, all the Telegram groups and everything, like, hey, we're trying to get listed on exchanges. We're trying to get listed on exchanges. But you can see this has been out for a long time, over a year ago, and it's down 98.1%. So if it goes back to the all-time high, which was back here on November 2021, which was, that second peak on BTC, then there's a good chance we could see some really big gains on Dogebonk again. I can't really use TradingView on that. But yeah, if I had like $400, I'd toss it in the Dogebonk. But right now I'm just tossing $100 into absolute shit. And if it goes, it goes. Yeah, look at this thing has just been accumulating for so long. It's been accumulating since May of 2022. Of course, you can't see a percentage. I don't know what percentage that is. It's like 3,000. I don't know. But yeah, Dogebonk doesn't look like a bad play at all. If I was doing like super degen plays like that, I know there's some people who just do degen plays, and this is probably a really good degen play right here. But I'm not going to buy any, but it's not a bad play at all. Just like Safe Muninu. So XRP, we're about ready to flip bullish on the MACD. RSI is neutral. WTX is neutral. It actually looks like XRP might be looking for a decent sized move here on the day chart. Ever since we bottomed out here in June of 2022, we've been putting in higher highs and higher lows. Technically, put in a high here, a low here, a high here. If you draw a fib from this top to this bottom right here, you can see we hit the 618. That's what happened, is we got rejected at the 618. Retrace back down to the 382, and indicators are showing that we're showing signs of bullishness. But like you said, this has pretty much been a stable coin forever. And I know we've already gone in depth one-on-one, Mr. Andy Walk, on the XRP chart. I think I still have some stuff drawn from it. There you go. There's your $100 XRP right there. Actually, what if it went like this? There's your $1,000 XRP. But yeah, you and I went over this in depth, and I still don't own any XRP. But I mean, if you hit big, if you're correct, man, you're to be loaded, absolutely loaded. But yeah, this does look like a very extended period of this. You can see we topped out here, we topped out here, we had that rounded bottom, we had that slight rounded bottom, we had that secondary pump, we had the secondary pump, we have the long rally this way, long rally this way, and then you get that another next leg up for XRP. Just a matter of time. I know you love your XRP. But from what I've always noticed, hang on, we're gonna do this real quick. What I noticed here is you have XLM, you have XRP. XRP moves before XLM does. So you have this large rally in XRP, and then you have the large rally in XLM. I really don't know what happened there. But just in retrospect of things, when XRP was pumping, it was like XRP pumped, and then it was like a day later, XLM did the exact same thing. So if we do see a big move on XRP, and I know you'd make mad money off of that, I would probably jump on the XLM train at that point and try to catch it. Because I'm probably just going to use XRP as an indicator for XLM. I don't own any XLM either, but they follow so closely together. It's just XRP moves like a day before XLM does. So if we start seeing something like this for XRP, and you know XLM's only right here, it's time to pile in the XLM and then ride that train to the upside. I mean, during the last bull run, I don't know how long you've been on my channel for, but last bull run, we used to do that a lot. We watched XRP, and then we would, you know, long XLM, whatever XRP did, we kind of did the leverage trading on that for XLM, and it worked out pretty good in the bull run. Dino new listing on BitGet. Dino, I'm guessing this one. Is it Dino LFG? Yeah, it's a real mask. Yeah, hang on. I got like 4 of them, 4 different ones. So this is my second mask right here. Hang on, we'll do this is my second mask right here. I got this mask here. Then I got this one here. Then I got This one here. Screw the banks. And then last but not least, I got this one here. I made them all. But this one's by far the easiest one to wear, more breathe friendly, and I think it looks cool. Okay, so Dino LFG. Dino LFG down 4.5. Hey, so Road Dog, are you doing a live stream tonight? Dino LFG down 45. You said it was just listed on BitGet? Oh, Bitmart. BitGert. BitGet. It doesn't show it on here, but I believe you. Yo, so this Dino 13 million market cap, is this the right one? Dino LFG. They're gonna trade PEPE live. Okay, I'll be on there. So if you guys want, you can check out Road Dog Crypto's YouTube channel. He's gonna be doing a live stream tonight, shortly after me. You know, it's always nice hanging out with a fellow friend and not having to talk the entire time. You just can sit back and relax. So Dino, that's the day chart. Here's the 4 hour. Wow. Definite rug. Yo, Dino looks like it's rolling over. We're losing our bearish momentum here. So if it just got listed on BitGet, this might be a bottom before we see a rally to the upside. But I only have my 2 indicators here on this deck screener though. We have a low RSI. And you can see last time we bent down in these RSI range, we were back here on April 24th at around 38, which is right here, and we saw a bounce. I mean, it doesn't look big on the screen, but from here to there, that's an 82% bounce. Like if I blow this area up here. So what I'm basing this kind of off of is the RSI. So we had the RSI on April 24th down here at around 39. This was this area right here, and this little move, even though it looks small on the screen, was 89%. Well, this was 60. Let's just say 70%. If we look at the MACD around that time frame too, it looks very similar to where we're at right now. We were losing our bearish momentum heading into a bullish crossover. Now the second time was back here on April 29th. We're pretty much at the exact same area on the RSI at around 42. MACD was going from bearish to bullish, and we are in this general area right here, which was approximately a, 40% gain right there. Now we have a large bearish movement here on the MACD, and we're losing our bearish momentum. RSI is sitting at the exact same areas it was the last 2 times we had those decent sized pumps. So with a large movement on the MACD like this, we might be seeing a rally to the upside, a decent sized rally to the upside. There it is. So the 382 right there. We have the 236 right there. Golden ratio right up here at 19 cents. Is that going to be it? Is that what we're going to be looking for right there? That 19 cents right there? I mean, if meme coins start running, man, this is going to slowly progress in the other meme coins, because everyone's going to start taking profits and put them in the next meme coin, taking profits, put them in the next meme coin. And obviously people are going to get wrecked chasing these meme coins, but a lot of people are going to make money. I mean, look at our Discord today. Quite a few of us made some fat bills today longing PEPE. Yeah, Dino doesn't look bad at all. 4 cents. 13 mil market cap. But I'm basing it off of... I hate dark blue. Why is it always dark blue? I'm basing it off of this support, this RSI support. Every time we bounced off that, we had a decent sized rally. And if you look at it, we're actually on a sloping uptrend too on the RSI. So I wonder if we're about ready to rip ass. And then that would be the final one, I'd have to guess, because there's no way we're going to be going up to 100 or above on the RSI. Then the RSI would definitely retrace. So maybe one last final pump and then we dump. But yeah, I mean, toss $100 in this thing and then ride it from here to the 1618. That's 368%. Definitely doable. I mean, look what PEPE did. At 300 to 400% possible move on this coming. K's $11 trade was awesome. Yeah. I don't know what else to talk about, guys. I mean, there's really not much to talk about. We talked about Discord, or I mean, we talked about BTC, and I mean, I got this technical analysis from a different live streamer, or a different YouTuber, but it's pretty accurate so far, and we're going to be using it. It is the, you know, the moon phases, if you believe in that stuff. I don't know if I believe in like the astronomy and stuff like that, but this indicator has been accurate so far. Every time we've gotten a full moon, we've rallied. Every time we've gotten a new moon, we've dropped. And we just got our full moon because today is the full moon. Go look outside, there's a full moon out. And I mean, if it's dark out where you're at, there's a full moon out. So technically that signifies a rally. And every time we've gotten a full moon since the beginning of this year, we've put in a higher high following that into the new moon. So we started here, we ran up here, we went down, and we ran to a higher high into the new moon. We ran down, we ran into a higher high into the new moon. We ran down, we ran into a higher high in the new moon. We ran down, and then who knows, we could run into a higher high here on the new moon on BTC. And if we break above $32,000 BTC, which is this heavy resistance area, we're absolutely going to be ripping. Coins are going to start flying. So we'll have to see how accurate this indicator is. So far it hasn't been wrong this year. And if you look back prior, I mean, I guess you can give it a little bit of leeway. But yeah, a different YouTuber found this indicator out and he's been using it. So I kind of stole it from him. But I mean, it's right. It's right until it's wrong. Just like I said for BTC, Bonk's doing the exact same thing as well. Bonk rallies to the new moon, retraces, rally to the new moon, retracement, rally to the new moon, retracement. Bonk had that V-shaped bottom right here. So Bonk had a trend reversal here on March 11th. So that's the lowest Bonk's going. We've been putting in higher highs and higher lows for every new moon and full moon. So if we follow the technical, the technicals of this, technically we got our full moon here. So by the time we get a new moon, we should be putting in a higher high than we had on April 18th, hypothetically, for Bonk. And that's like 150% move for Bonk. So we're really putting this indicator to the test on Bonk and BTC, guys. That's what we're going to be keeping a close eye on. It's never been wrong on bonk. Has not been wrong on bonk yet. But who knows? I mean, if this starts working out and all you have to do is buy the full moon and sell the new moon, man, we got it. We'll just go off lunar cycles. We'll just buy here and then we'll sell here. We'll buy here and then we'll sell the top. And we'll just continue doing that on the way up and become millionaires. But guys, I think that's going to be it for the live stream. We covered quite a bit today. Looked at a lot of Degen plays. We got our list going right now. We got WSBC, Gensler, Mong. These are the ones I'm going to look at after the live stream. Possibly get in one of them. I just don't like the gas fees though, so there's a really good chance that I probably won't get into any of them at all. But I feel like we didn't do much this live stream. I feel like we just rambled. I think it's just patience, guys. We got that full moon. We're just going to put this indicator to the test right now. That's the full moon on bonk, and then we had that full moon on BTC. So yeah. So make sure you guys tune in to Road Dog Crypto's live stream. It's coming up. I don't know what time it is, but after mine, sometime. I'll probably be on there for a bit if I'm not sleeping yet, chit-chatting. So with that, guys, I appreciate everybody coming out, and I'll catch you guys next time on the live stream of Charting Crypto.